Here is a timesheet for Jira mouse-free cloud software, and there is multiple localizations in various spoken languages like China, Taiwan, Germany. And I put the backup Unity Stage English. And how this works, I just click here and now I move tabulator and press numbers, and here I can increase it. It is not always work, but I work hard to fix this kind of books. And here is a manage timesheet name, and I select issues. Save. Now I press load. It's here. It's little bit buggy, but this must be fixed. And then I can work in months. And I set my own language. Now it opens the Microsoft Excel, and now here it is, Microsoft Excel file exported from issues.